I never touch receipt paper, and I recommend you do the same. Let's get into this. Okay, so anytime I go to a grocery store or gas station or anywhere, if you buy a product or pay for a service, you'll get a receipt. Now, what's the problem with receipts? They're coated in BPA and BPS, and it's not a little amount. It's 3% by weight. 3% of the weight of the receipt is BPA powder. And the problem is, the second you touch it, it absorbs in your fingers, in your skin. And even worse, if you have like hand sanitizer on, if your hands are a little bit greasy, absorbs even faster. Now, a lot of people think, yeah, it's just a little amount, it doesn't really matter. Now, actually, when you ask ChatGPT or Google this, it's actually shocking how much is on there. Up to 20 milligrams of BPA per receipt, or 3% of the weight. I got notes, I just searched all this. Which means one receipt will give you more BPA than a plastic water bottle would over the lifetime of the bottle. So if you touch 5 receipts in a day, whatever, you put them in your pocket, it's like drinking out of 5 plastic water bottles over the life of the water. That's how much BPA. So to be a cashier, you are being exposed to an unbelievable amount of BPA. Now, here's the other issue. BPA causes extreme problems with our hormones, can cause cancer, and really affects your body in so many negative ways. About 10 years ago, there was a huge thing that water bottles have BPA. So a lot of companies now say that we use BPS. That's a whole other topic. It's not much better. It's still petroleum plastic. Long story short, don't touch the receipts. Just say, I don't need it. I don't want it. If you need to keep it, like say you buy a microwave, or, well, don't buy a microwave, but if you buy like a toaster or headphones, just say put the receipt in the bag. Do everything you can not to touch it. And if you do touch it, wash your hands immediately. Don't go eating lunch or anything. Unfortunately, it absorbs in your skin, so yeah. So that's my rant on receipts. Just a quick thing to memorize that will actually help your hormones and health. Thanks.